Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the genetic organization of prokaryotes and eukaryotes, right? So basically these are the two categorization of the all the living organisms, right? So here when we talk about the prokaryotes, generally the examples are bacteria or archaea, whereas in eukaryotes the plants, animals and fungi and protists, these will come, right? So what is their genetic organization or their genetic genomes, right? So that we are going to discuss here. So generally genomes, when we talk about genetic organization, we can say genome. So these are it is the hereditary information, right? Genetic information, hereditary information of an organism, any living organism. It may be bacteria, fungi, plant, animal, okay, encoded either in DNA or in RNA, right? So that basically we are going to discuss now. So when we talk about the prokaryotic genome, it is circular double standard DNA, right? So that is the speciality, circular double standard DNA, commonly referred as nucleoids, right? So these nucleoids, it will contain 60% of DNA, a small amount of RNA and the protein. These three things it is going to compose into the nucleoids. Whereas in eukaryotic genome, right? So where plant, animal and all those things it comes, it is nucleoprotein complex, which is called chromatin. So this you have to remember here. In prokaryotics, nucleoids, and in eukaryotics, chromatin. So this chromatin, it is composed with 35% of DNA, 60% of protein and 5% of RNA, right? So basically when we are trying to differentiate or difference between the prokaryotic genomes and eukaryotic genomes, how we have discussed the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells in that way, right? So here same pro means no. Generally most of the things, nucleus, membrane organelles, all those things, it will not be there. That's what pro means no, it will be considered. Eukaryotics means most of the nucleus and membrane organelles, it will be there. So here in the genetic point of view or genetic organization point of view, prokaryotic genomes, it is small in size, whereas eukaryotic genomes, it is larger than the prokaryotes, right? Complex, right? That's what coming to the second point, contains single circular chromosome, whereas in eukaryotes contain multiple linear chromosomes, right? So here you can see the complexity, it is more. Here they are haploids, whereas they are diploids, okay? DNA is not associated with histone, okay, whereas in eukaryotes DNA is associated with histone, right? And the last one, they are condensed in nucleoids, whereas eukaryotes, they are condensed in membrane bound nucleus, right? So here we can see the most of the complexity, it is there in these kinds of genetic organization. The examples are the plant, animals and fungus, right? Whereas here in example we can see the bacterial cells and the archaea, right? So these are the two examples, or in genetic sequences we can find these kinds of difference. So these are the nothing but genetic organization of prokaryotic and eukaryotic types of cellular organization. In that, what kind of genetic sequences, genomes are present, that we have discussed just now. Thank you.